How to use TikTok without account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use TikTok without an account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to use TikTok without account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application. So let's say you just want to watch TikTok like this, right, without logging into your account. Can you do that? Well, yes, you can do that, because if I come to my profile icon here, you can see I'm not logged into TikTok, but I'm still being able to watch TikTok. Now there are some limitations though. I can only watch and then like those videos and so on, but if I want to comment, if I want to save, and if I want to share, I need to log into my TikTok account, or maybe just create a TikTok account. But just to browse to TikTok and like those videos, you don't have to do anything. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.